Hi guys, it's me. It's Diane from AuntDi's Crafts. Yes, you might not be recognizing me right now because I don't have my glasses on, but don't worry about it. I can still see. I am going to show you guys the newest um, Cricut Easy Press 3 and their awesome new app for it. I'm going to test it out by making a pillow in which I'm going to show you that you can use both infusible ink and iron-on vinyl for the same project. So come along, guys. Let's see. So here it is, the newest member of the Cricut lineup, the Easy Press 3. Now the Easy Press 3, the difference with this from the regular Easy Press is that it is Bluetooth. So you have to have the new Cricut Heat app in order to get it started. Once you've registered it, you can use your computer or you can just do it manually. But the cool thing about this app is it will do everything for you except for obviously placing your Easy Press onto the pressing material. It will give you the opportunity to place what you're doing, what material you're using, what item you're putting it on, and then it will automatically send this information to your press, setting up the proper time and temperature that you need. So on the screen, you can see that I've been just sort of showing some of this app and how to go about setting everything up. You're going to find this app is phenomenal. It takes you through step by step every process that needs to be done. It tells you about pre-warming. It tells you how much pressure to use. It is, well, as far as I'm concerned, this new heat app is, well, it's killer. Absolutely killer. They really went over and above designing this app. So remember, if you do decide that you want the new Easy Press 3, so you have the ability to do the Bluetooth thing, you first have to make sure that you have access to a cell phone or a tablet so that you can get your machine registered and started. So I'm just going to continue setting up the machine here. It's my first go, so it's just going to take me a few minutes. I'm just picking out the material and what I'm putting it on, which is going to be a Cricut pillow cover. And I think I'm just going to fast forward through the rest of this. So here I am just pre-pressing, trying to get some of these wrinkles out and warming up the base or the fabric to help get things to stick. So I've just flipped this over so I can find a good spot, and I'm going to give it another go over just to remove some more of these wrinkles. And then I'm going to be pulling out my cut infusible ink sheet. Normally you, would weed this sheet almost like a puzzle if you're doing more than one layer. But since I just cut out two little pieces, all I'm doing this time is I'm just going to pull those two pieces right off the transfer. I just find it's going to be easier this way. And then I can still have the rest of the sheet to use. And this is going to be the vinyl that I place on. Um, I love weeding iron-on vinyl. Cricuts is phenomenal. I'm not the least bit gentle when it comes to weeding iron-on vinyl. You don't need to be. Take out your aggravations. Just rip it off. Now, you don't do this, though, with permanent vinyl or removable vinyl. That stuff you need to be a little bit more gentle with when you're weeding, or you're going to be pulling the pieces with you. Now that I have it all weeded, I am just trying to find which edge has the zipper in it so I can place it to the side that I want it. Also remember, if you have a lint brush, this is when you would actually roll it over the material before you apply anything to it. I don't have one at the moment, so I'm just going to miss this step. But if you want to be 100% guaranteed that your infusible ink and your vinyl is going to adhere, you are going to want to make sure you lint roll. So here I'm going to just pull the infusible ink off the sheet like I said I was going to do this time, because I need to figure out placement behind the HTV layer. When you do go to apply your infusible ink, make sure that it is upside down. So you have to cut this mirrored. Place the ink upside down so the ink is against the item you want it to be infused to. You need to get yourself your heat transfer tape because you want to tape it in position. You do not want it to shimmy and shake or move at all. So I am just going to give this a quick tape down. The next layer you need to do is you need to get the butcher paper, which does come with the infusible ink, and place it on top of the infusible ink because you don't want to take any chances of any of the ink transferring to the bottom of your Easy Press. And then you just press go because the app has already set everything up for you. Now I just need to go back to the app because I'm going to be switching over to HTV. So it needs to give the Easy Press a few minutes to cool down to the temperature that is needed to apply it. It's time to pull this up and see how well it transferred. Remember, once it's transferred, the colors are so much more vivid, as you can tell. This transferred very well. Just gonna move things up a little bit so I have a bit more room. Get my HTV or iron on vinyl into where I would like it to be. Now that the Easy Press is ready, I'm going to place it down, and as you can see, I'm not even going to touch it. Um, this is a big project and my press is little, so I'm going to have to do this in more than one pressing, but that's fine. We'll just get her done. Now that I have it all pressed, yes, I am going to just move it around a little bit. I don't always do this. I'm just doing it because this is actually going to be placed on display at the One of a Kind craft show in Toronto the first weekend of April. So I just want to make sure it is stuck really well. Now remember before you peel that some vinyl does peel better hot and some you need to let cool. I tend to be a little less patient, so a lot of my vinyl I do peel hot. Um, Foil vinyl, no, never peel hot, always peel cold. But the black vinyl, you can peel it warm. And as you can see, it just, the transferred page or paper just came right off. And there it is. So let me get this stuffed and I will show you guys a picture. Wasn't that cool? That pillow is absolutely beautiful. And guess what? It's going to be on display at the One of a Kind craft show in Toronto for the first weekend of April. I am so excited. I've also got two other items that are going to be on display. So if you want to see what they are, come on down. And don't forget to hunt me down so you can say hi. Take care, guys. And thanks for all of your support. Don't forget to like my videos, share them, subscribe to my channel, and please remember to use all of my affiliate links because without that, AuntDi's Crafts wouldn't be around. So until next time, guys, take care and happy crafting.